Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to shoot my most exciting video of the year because I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 in commissions off of one single sale. So if you're looking forward to this video, give me a like, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I'm uploading videos pretty frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you want to be notified of all the future videos that I upload and when I go live, go ahead and tick that bell icon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make $10,000 in commissions. And I actually did a recent survey. Check this out. I asked my email list, a small portion of my email list, what their financial goals were for 2021 and what they wanted to make on a monthly basis this year. And almost half of the people that took the survey, there was approximately 99 people, about half that answered this question, about close to half, 43% to be exact, said that they wanted to make $10,000 per month. Now, with most affiliate programs, you have to go out there, you have to make 50 sales, 100 sales. You have to make quite a bit of sales to hit that $10,000 per month mark. And if you've been online for any amount of time, to hit certain milestones such as $10,000 per month, the numbers appear easy, but when it comes to getting traffic and getting eyeballs to the actual offers enough to where you can produce that $10,000 per month, it begins to get quite a bit more difficult. And one of the things that I realized early on in my internet marketing career was that there's no difference in effort to produce a $10,000 commission versus a $100 commission. The only thing that changes is the system and the offer that you're sending people to. So before I actually illustrate this and why it is so easy and there's really no difference, let me actually show you some proof that I practice what I preach. I'm actually in the trenches making $10,000 commissions. So I'm going to jump in the inbox right here. And not only am I making $10,000 commissions, I'm actually making up to $16,500 commissions. So if I click on this first email, this was a notification that I made a $27,500 sale. Didn't have to talk to anybody on the phone, didn't have to have a chat whatsoever, which is pretty incredible. So you might be wondering, well, Josh, you didn't get on the phone, you didn't have to chat with anybody. How did this happen? I'm going to get to that in just a second, okay? But if I go back here and I click on this one, I got yet another sale that was $27,500 as well. So in the span of about within a week, right around a week, maybe a little bit over a week, you could see I made two $10,000 commissions, and not just getting these notifications from this income stream, but there's also other income streams where I'm taking in $10,000 payments as well. As you can see right here, I've taken in five $10,000 payments. I've even taken in payments as much as $25,000, as you can see, wired through my bank account right here that's showing up on screen. So some of you guys are thinking, is it possible to even make $500 commissions, $1,000, $2,000? And every single year, I tend to push the envelope more and more, and I realize that yes, people are willing to spend $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $27,500, $50,000 plus online, and you're able to earn a commission off of it. So let me give you the actual 3 steps to being able to make this whole process work. So step number 1, you need a high ticket affiliate product. Okay, and you need a high ticket affiliate product in the right niche. And there's only a few niches where you can earn high ticket commissions such as this. The niche that I'm in is the digital marketing education niche. Now more than ever, offline businesses need to go online. And if you don't have an online business, you're going to be left behind, because if you look at things that are going on with the pandemic, brick and mortar stores shutting down, just brick and mortar stores not keeping up with the times, you're noticing slowly and steadily, and even quickly within just the past year, but over time it's been pretty steadily, businesses going out of business. Blockbuster went out of business. Toys R Us has gone out of business, amongst many, many others. And there's people that have come that are online marketers and bought out some of these companies and taken them online because that is where the eyeballs are going. So what I'm saying is small businesses, entrepreneurs, they're willing to pay a hefty dollar to learn how to market on the internet. So these commissions that I'm making are from digital marketing education that teaches people how to make money online, like an online university. So essentially, I refer people to the university, they purchase a product, a piece of education, and I get a commission from it. There are other niches out there. You can refer people to like private charters like jets, boats, yachts, even heavy equipment that people would use in like agriculture. You can promote and earn, hefty commissions off of as well. But for the most part, there is a lot more people looking for ways to build an income online or grow their current business. And so that's where most of the money can be made, is within the digital marketing education, make money online niche. So again, you need to go with a high ticket affiliate product, preferably in the digital marketing education niche, where people are willing to pay tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, once you have the product, step number 2 is that you need a system, a process, in other words, to sell the product. You can't just send people to a website that has a bunch of links and then has the product and the price points, $30,000. They're not just going to buy it. They need education on the product. They need to be sold on the product. It's not every day that you show up to like a car dealership without a salesperson and just buy the car. Rarely does that happen. You have to somewhat be educated, and through that education, that leads you eventually to the sales. So you need a sales associate. In this case, when it comes to online marketing, you need some sort of webinar. You need some sort of sales process that educates people virtually, whether it be like a case study video or like a webinar, like I said, to where the prospect then watches that piece of information, gets a lot of value from it, and then eventually gets on the phone with a sales associate or a coach that further educates them, makes them feel comfortable to the point where they actually purchase the product. Now, this is where I don't get on the phone. I'm actually referring a customer to somebody else's product that's all systematized and sold through a sales process, so somebody else gets on the phone with them. So I'm just basically the refer. I refer people to the product. The system does the education that sells the product. They get on the phone with another sales associate, not me. And when the customer decides to buy, I get a cut of the commission. And that's just affiliate marketing in a nutshell, where you refer somebody to somebody else's already proven product. And because you are the referrer and you were a bonus to what the product owner is already doing, then they're willing to give you a cut of the sell. So those $27,500 sales that you saw, I was able to keep $16,500 of that sell. So that was my commission paid out to me. So step number 2 is you need a high converting sales process to sell that product. So you probably heard of a sales funnel, where people go from opt-in page where they enter their email address and their name, and then they go to a sales video or a webinar or a case study video, and then from there they get on the phone, especially if it's a product that's like over $5,000. Typically it's not as good to sell it on a webinar. It takes a little bit more effort, and so then you have to have somebody on the phone closing those sales, which somebody else of course does for me, and then I'm able to keep a hefty part of the commission. So that's step number 2. Step number 3 is simply you just need traffic. You need eyeballs. I alluded to this. You need to refer people to the already proven sales process. And you could do it through places like YouTube, like videos like this. You could do it through Facebook. You could do it through Instagram. You could do it through email marketing, where you do what's called solo ads, where you rent out or purchase a part of somebody's list. So that already established list in a specific niche, you can rent out their list. And when you send them an email, you can just simply give them your affiliate link. They'll actually take care of the email for you. And when the customer opens that email of the potential prospect, they click it, they go through the sales process, and they decide to buy, you get credit for the sale. So you can pay for traffic by renting out other people's lists, AKA solo ads. You can do it through free traffic, places like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You can even do it through offline marketing where people post those flyers on like light poles and stuff like that. I wouldn't recommend that way just because it's lower leverage and you can't really target your ideal customer. Where online, you can actually target people that have money or people that are willing to go out and get the money to really invest into the digital marketing education. Nonetheless, I've got a system that actually does all three for you. It gives you a high ticket affiliate product. It gives you the system to sell that product. That's how I made those commissions I showed you. And then it gives you the top traffic sources that you could just instantly plug into, whether you want to do free traffic or paid traffic, that's completely up to you. Paid traffic, you could pretty much just pay somebody, you get traffic instantly. Free traffic does take a little bit more time to really get the ball rolling and start to really see the fruits of your labor. So I suggest people that are newer to start with a little bit of paid traffic, email traffic specifically, so you don't have to worry about the tech. So if you want to learn more about making $10,000 plus commissions from one sell, then I invite you to click the link below to learn a little bit more information. My buddy David has a presentation prepared for you that's going to walk you through the whole entire process. So if you're interested, click the link below. Nonetheless, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please subscribe, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And do not forget to check the resources below and give me a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.